So let me be honest here, I haven't touched Obsidian in a long time. I used to swear by it, but I kind of fell off. Lately, I've been using Apple Notes because I just wanted something simple and easy to get to, easy to access, easy to use, easy to share with people. Just a quick way to dump my ideas and move on. But the thing is, I know that Obsidian is just so much more powerful. It's literally the most powerful note-taking app that there is. And I honestly love it. You know, it is what brought me into the AI space. I used to map people's brains in like a 3D form using Obsidian a long time ago, post about it on YouTube, and people loved it. I even created a business out of it that I called The Searchable Brain. You can go see my old videos if you want to see it. Offline access, crazy customization, and AI is just dope. This is inside of it. So I was just thinking recently, let me just go re-download Obsidian and see if I can start using it again. So I'm gonna give it a shot, and I'm gonna give you 10 reasons why I think it's the best note-taking app out there and show you how I'm gonna use it. First of all, why I left Obsidian. I'm gonna show you why I made the shift. I needed something brain dead simple because when I talk to people about organization, I want them to be able to quickly download something and be able to use it in their own life. And the thing about Obsidian is it can be a learning curve because it's not the easiest to use, especially if someone doesn't come from a background of using plugins and stuff like that. But now with AI, a lot of things have evolved, so that's why I wanted to give it another chance and check out the features. So the first reason on why I'm probably going to switch back, it's unlimited customization. Like I mean the colors to the controls to literally anything. Anything you pretty much can think of, you can do inside of Obsidian. Task manager, content hubs, research archives, literally everything. The thing I really love the most is whatever I'm thinking and I want to create and want to come to life, I can actually do it through Obsidian. And other note-taking apps like Apple Notes or Evernote, they basically give you what it is to use, and even Google Docs, and you just have to type, and it's just so basic. But this makes me feel like I'm in control. It's like driving a manual car, you know, like you are steering the thing. Another thing is everything is one place. Your calendars, your tasks, your YouTube videos you can watch, notes, and even AI tools, they're all in one app. And that leads me into the next one. You can watch YouTube videos and take notes on the same screen. For example, you can like drop a YouTube link inside of it. It'll transcribe the video and then also give you an area where you can watch it and take notes. Like, I don't know how else you're supposed to do that without opening it up multiple different apps and then like going back to it, but you can even like click buttons and then all of a sudden it'll just mark a note on what you want to keep tabs of. So that's huge when it comes to researching AI tools and making videos for me. The next one is the offline access. For example, I don't need to be connected to the internet. I can be literally in airplane mode and write a whole bunch and it's just offline. My entire vault is there. So I never really have to worry about syncing issues. Next, the AI-powered note-taking. There are so many plugins. The thing about Obsidian is it allows the community to create plugins, right? A whole bunch of people around the internet that love using note-taking and taking their thoughts to the complete next level. And you can use the things that they've created, and they're called community plugins. So if you go to the AI features, there's tons of different AI features that you can use inside of Obsidian, like summarizing, turning your thoughts into visualization, and much more. And then we got the Canboards. The one I like to use is called Excalidraw, and basically it makes a mind map of everything that has to do with your thoughts. It's a way for you to visually see your company and just visually see everything that's going on in your world. They've got bi-directional links and graphs, so you can see how all of your thoughts connect, and every word you say is searchable, so you can see exactly when you said something in a video. It's pretty cool. Then you can use web and browser integration, so you don't even have to use the internet anymore. You can just use it through Obsidian and take notes while you use the internet. It's a fast way to collect data for yourself. There's no subscription fees, so you can use it for free unless you want to use their cloud service. But for me, I don't even need to use that. I pretty much just keep my Obsidian vaults on hard drives. And honestly, I think the biggest thing for me is just future-proofing my knowledge. It's using this super small file size called markdown files, so it makes like it super microscopic. So it's not really taking up space on my computer or anything. So I just had to share that today. I'm excited to show you guys how I'm gonna jump back into Obsidian and basically build things through there. I just feel like I just wanna go deeper into my life. I wanna go deeper into my fitness. I wanna go deeper into my health, my thoughts, and I wanna be able to see my thoughts again. So I think that's a big reason on why I'm using it. I felt like I was just being like everybody else, just using Apple Notes and everything else to be able to make it easy. And easy is cool, but I feel like the complex thing is where the juicy stuff is in life. But also, if you you have any questions on how to use Obsidian, let me know, because I've been using Obsidian for years. And even though I haven't been using it recently, I still know how to use it very good. It got me to the AI space because I was using it to create these things for my previous clients. And I was scraping data on the internet and I was putting it in these brain-like forms. And it was super fun. And I'm just excited to get back into that world, to be honest. See you tomorrow. See you in the next one.